इस क्वेश्चन के अंदर हमें एक 0.5 मोलर एक्वा सोल्यूशन दे रखा है NaCN का, जिसका pK भी हमें दे रखा है 4.70। तो हमसे पूछा है इसका pH क्या होगा। अब अगर हम NaCN की बात करें तो एक्वा सोल्यूशन के अंदर हमें सोडियम आयंस मिलेंगे और मिलेंगे Cn नेगेटिव आयंस, राइट। अब अगर इन दोनों की हाइड्रोलिसिस हो जाए तो हमें मिलेगा NaOH और HCN। अब NaOH क्या है, एक स्ट्रॉन्ग बेस, और HCN क्या है, वीक एसिड। तो जब हमारे पास एक स्ट्रॉन्ग बेस और एक वीक एसिड होता है तो POH कैलकुलेट करते हैं हम, और इसका फॉर्मूला क्या होता है, हाफ इंटू PKW माइनस PKA माइनस लॉग C, राइट। अब PKW तो हमें पता है क्या होता है, दिस इज इक्वल टू 14। PKA हम कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं, हमें PKB दे रखा है Cn नेगेटिव आयंस का। तो अगर हमें इसका PKA चाहिए तो हम 14 माइनस PKB करेंगे, 14 माइनस 4.70, तो ये हमें मिलता है 9.30, राइट। लॉग ऑफ C, तो यहाँ पे हमारी कॉन्सेंट्रेशन क्या थी NaCN की, 0.5। सो दैट मीन्स कि हमारी Cn नेगेटिव की भी कॉन्सेंट्रेशन 0.5 ही रहेगी। C क्या है हमारे यहाँ पे, कॉन्सेंट्रेशन, राइट। तो यहाँ पे बेसिकली हमारे पास क्या आ जाएगा, लॉग ऑफ 0.5, राइट। सो अगर हम इस इक्वेशन को सॉल्व करें, हाफ इंटू 14 माइनस PK हमारा क्या आया था 9.3 माइनस लॉग ऑफ 0.5। तो लॉग ऑफ 0.5 क्या आता है हमारे पास, ये हमारे पास आएगा माइनस 0.3। सो अगर हम हाफ इंटू 14 माइनस 9.3, ये नेगेटिव में है तो ये पॉजिटिव हो जाएगा, माइनस माइनस प्लस 0.3 आ जाएगा, तो ये हमें देगा -9। सो हमारे पास सिंपली बचेगा हाफ इंटू 14 माइनस 9, यानी कि हाफ इंटू 5 विच कम्स आउट टू बी 2.5। तो हमारा जो POH है ये 2.5 आया है। अब जो pH और POH होता है इसका सम होता है 14। तो अगर हमारे पास POH है तो हम pH कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं, pH आ जाएगा 14 माइनस POH, यानी कि 14 माइनस 2.5। तो हमारा यहाँ पे आंसर क्या हुआ, 11.5।
Here question given is that calculate the pH of an aqueous solution of 1 molar ammonium formate assuming complete dissociation, and pKa of formic acid and pKb of ammonia we have given here. Okay, so we have to find out pH of ammonium formate, which is HCOONH4, okay, which hydrolyze in water to give HCOOH plus NH4OH. Okay, and we have given pKa of formic acid, which is equal to 3.8, and pKb of ammonia, which is equal to 4.8. Okay, and question asking is that calculate pH of an aqueous solution of 1 molar ammonium formate. Okay, so here ammonium formate is salt of weak acid, weak base, and we know that pH for combination of salt of weak acid, weak base is equal to 1/2 into pKa plus pKw minus pKb, and we know that pKw is 14. Okay, so now we have pKa, pKb and pKw, so put these three values in this formula, and we get pH is equal to 1/2 pKa is 3.8 plus pKw is 14 minus pKv is 4.8. So by calculating we get pH is equal to 6.5. Okay, pH is equal to 6.5. So this is the pH of an aqueous solution of 1 molar ammonium formate for complete dissociation. Okay, thank you.
Hello everyone, so the question is an aqueous solution of metal bromide, that is MbR2, having 0.05 molar concentration is saturated with H2S, right? What is the minimum pH? We have to calculate minimum pH at which MS, that is our metal sulfide, will precipitate. Ksp for MS is given as 6 into 10 to the power 21. Concentration of saturated H2S is given as K1 is given as, and K2 is given as for the reaction, right? So first of all, we have to calculate minimum pH. So for that, for the precipitation of MS from the solution of MbR, we can write for the precipitation of metal sulfide from a solution of MbR2, right? MbR2 by passing H2S. So by passing H2S, we can write that KSP for MS, this can be written as M2 plus concentration into S2 minus concentration, right? So, or we can also write it as, if we put these values, so it will be 6 into 10 raised to power minus 21, as the KSP for MS is given, right? And this should be equals to, for 0.05 for M2 plus, and we have to find S2 minus. So right here, right? So from here, if you calculate the concentration of S2 minus, so this will be actually equals to 1.2 into 10 raised to power minus 19 molar, right? We know that we can say that precipitation of MS will start when H2S provides 1.2 into 10 raised to power 19 molars ions of S2 minus. So for H2S, we can write that first of all, for H2S, what we can write? We can write that first of all our reaction, that is H2S, and it gives 2H plus and plus of S2 minus, right? So we are having two reaction, and in order to calculate the K, we can write their multiplication. So K1 into K2, if two are added, its K is multiplied. So this can be written as H plus concentration into H2 minus concentration, and dividing this with our reactant, that is H2S, right? And here it will be square of it, right? So now on further solving this, or we can write, or 10 raised to power minus 7 into 1.3 into 10 raised to power minus 13, this should be equals to H plus into 1.2 into 10 raised to power minus 19 upon concentration of H2S is given as 0.1, right? So from here, what we can write, that we can write, sorry, it will not be square right here because we have multiplied this, right? So this value will be equals to, we can write that H plus concentration, this will be equals to 1.04 into 10 raised to power minus 1, right? And if we have H plus concentration, so we know that pH, it is equals to minus of log H plus concentration, right? So from here, if we put this H plus value right here, the value of pH we are having is 0.9826. So this is our required answer. Thank you.